I'm back to film a makeup tutorial. Hopefully this one's a little bit better. I'm filming it with natural lights, and yeah, I figured I would do like a little eye look. If I'm a little out of sorts, it's because I don't have all my stuff with me in here. So I'm gonna do the best I can. I brought what I have. It's almost like do with what you got. Like if you were at your friend's house and you forgot all your makeup, and this is what she's got for you. So let's hope it turns out well, and can't wait to see what we look like. Okay, now I'm gonna use Urban Decay. Nah, I don't think it's gonna focus in. There we go. Alright. Just gonna apply that to your lid. Tonight we are going to the rodeo, so I'm not getting like crazy dressed up, and I haven't decided if I'm gonna go like the typical girl who wants to pretend like she is a cowgirl never, you know? I don't know if I'm gonna wear one of those outfits or if I'm just gonna wear what I'm wearing, which is like a Arizona t-shirt. I just haven't decided yet. I kind of want to be comfortable, but I also kind of want to look cute because it's date night. So, although my husband is so sweet and he's like, you always look beautiful to me, makeup or no makeup. So, it's nice of him. Okay, so I just got this from my BoxyCharm. I used some of my charm points in the charm room, and I'm pretty excited about it because I loved the other palette I got in my box. So this one's the Element of Surprise. And I'm going to start with, I don't know if these are in order like I'm using it, but if it is, then this will be Labyrinth that I'm going to start off with. And I'm just going to use that to set that color I put down. Or I mean that base, that primer. We're going to put that all over the eye, both eyes. You want to set that because when you use the Urban Decay primer potion, if you just go in with eyeshadow right on top of it, your eyeshadow's not going to blend really well. It's just going to get patchy because of that. And then it's going to be really hard because the primer potion's there to like set it really well. So make sure you do that. And then we'll go right into Go With The Flow. It's always interesting to do your makeup before you know what your outfit's going to be. Oh, I have a child at the door already. They always want in. It's like being in the bathroom. Can't get away for 5 seconds. Child will start screaming soon. So just go with that outer V to deepen it. So I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush to blend those together so that we don't have any harsh lines. And then you examine. Have I made any mistakes? Do I need to correct anything? Do I need to deepen anything on one side? And so I went a little further in on this side, and it's harder to take eyeshadow away, so I'm just going to take this side and go a little bit deeper again. Okay, and like I've talked about before with shimmers, it's always best to use your finger or a very densely packed brush to put them on. I think it was this one. This is called Feels. So again, on your finger, and just pack that on. So it's a little dark for my liking, so I'm going to take this lightest color in here, which is called Rayon, or Rayon, and I'm going to lighten that up in the corners. So I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion of this palette. The few shades I've used today, I'm not as impressed with. The other palette I have, which I can't, All About Me, or All About, I don't remember exactly what it was called. It's creamier, it's more pigmented, it applies better. These, especially these shimmer shades I've been working with, which have been this one, and this one, they're not applying as well. They're kind of hard to work with. They don't blend very easily. So would I suggest you buy Element of Surprise palette from ColourPop? I'd probably save your money and buy the other one that I did the last tutorial on. I like that one a lot more. Or there's other palettes by Morphe and stuff that I would recommend over this one. So to finish the eye look, I'm going to use some eyeliner. Hey guys, now that I have my face done, I'm going to go ahead and finish the under eye of this makeup look. Just trying to get that. I'm going to go ahead and go underneath my eye with a color we did not use on the top, but it's called it's called Late Night. So I'm going to tap into that and then just push it in. I'm going to take a little bit of a bigger brush. And I'm going to go into this mustardy color. I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara and lashes, and I'll come back and show you the finished product. So I was going to come back and show you guys my lashes and my face totally done, but my lashes totally broke on me. So I'm just coming back to say goodbye and thank you for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Right now.
You can't see my hand. Mom,
Yes, I can see your hand.
you can't see my hand.
I can see your hand.